Dr. Ranganathan, I want to begin with you first. Nyoma Gupta, spokesperson of the BJP, of the Delhi BJP, is also here with us. And I want to ask you, Dr. Ranganathan, tonight, what do you make of this? I am appalled. What is this GDP worth? What are these parliamentarians doing? Where are they?
They are in a safe haven. They are protected from these catastrophes and calamities, and that is what they always wanted, Rahul. I have never seen such a terrible accident that has happened because of a manhole without a lid or a pothole in Lutyens, Delhi. That is where all these politicians live, and that's a fact. We have to accept it. First of all, thank you for this campaign from the bottom of my heart. But I have to say this, I'm sorry if I'm being cynical tonight. Yes, we can expose the rot, but we've seen this. We have been exposing the rot for the last 50, 60 years. The question is, how can we stop the rot? And that is the question. Who will stop the rot? These politicians won't stop the rot. And we know the judiciary also is least interested. We've seen the most horrendous accident that happened a month ago when a kid was crying out for help and slowly sinking in a water body that was completely artificially made because of the the issues that cropped up with a builder. He refused to fill that up. So these are accidents that happen, and yes, somebody was suspended, and then the other person who will take that person's place would do the same thing. I think the time has come for us to absolutely take out all political parties and their interventions from municipalities, from these councils. You just saw in Mumbai when they had the municipal election, it was like a state election because they know 70,000 crores is in the offing. So that is how that is how they act. We have to privatize this. Not just that. I think the time has come for a mandate whereby 10% or whatever fixed amount of any income tax that any citizen pays should go to that citizen's locality for the improvement of that locality so that people have a stake. At least people can say, now what people say is we pay so much of tax. I mean, you look at some really concerned citizen, Anuradha, you had the skin doctor. They're saying, why are we paying tax? The same question you were asking. And the cleanest city, Indore, you had these, recently poisoning of water, contamination of water. People died. What happened? So unless people have a stake, their money that they are giving to the government should at least 5 to 10%, 15%, whatever should be decided, should go to the locality where they stay. This would encourage competition. People would want more richer and richer people to come to the locality. They would improve. Just like I say, leave it to the markets.